My video guide is about removing the browser alerts and fake security warnings that come from the website Startswiftcompletelythefile.vip. These pop-ups are deceptive and dangerous. They try to make you think that your computer is horribly infected with some malware or virus. It tries to encourage you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software, supposedly to fix your computer. But in reality, interacting with these pop-ups is dangerous because they promote some potentially unwanted programs, and if you click on this delete viruses button, you will be forwarded to some other malicious content that may promote a totally different software, not the one that is initially advertised. So be careful when you see these pop-ups. They are fake alerts and they are scam, the online scam that tries to deceive you and to make you download some potentially unwanted applications. On the other hand, these pop-ups may be the result of some adware currently enabled in your computer. So first thing you could do is to check the control panel and uninstall any programs that are suspicious. If you find them, you need to get rid of them. We also recommend researching the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application, and start researching your device to detect and delete other threats from your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.